I would rate it a 10.
I would probably rate it a 9.
I'd probably say a 9. To me, 10s are hard to get anyhow.
Definitely a 10. The usability of it is easy even once you've learned it, but just to learn it took like that. I mean,
It fits all the qualifications that we have here at our facility to be able to keep up with all the scheduling with all our 8 campuses. And it has just fit every need that we have, but also the support. Anytime there's an issue, eSPACE has been great in finding out what the issue is and taking care of it. And then also continuing to update the system.
It's been very user-friendly. A lot of our people on staff have been able to use not just the facilities management side, but also the event scheduler side. That's helped us out a lot.
if I have to train a new associate or a new employee or a volunteer to use it or whatever, then I can do it. And it takes all of like 5 minutes to go through the whole program and show them pretty much everything that they need to know. I love that it's, integrates with our website so that the calendar is on the website and it updates very quickly. And I love that I can send a reminder out to the people who are in charge of the groups, like, hey, your event's coming up. The whole thing is just so user friendly. It's unbelievable.
I would say is in anything you do, especially if you're in scheduling or any facility related, that you would need to look and see what you feel is best. Look at other systems, and I will pretty much guarantee that as you are in that process, you're going to find that eSPACE will meet the needs that you have. And because not only does it have the scheduling, but also has the maintenance area of it and just several other areas that completely will help in a facility related area.
But whenever somebody asks me, what do you use to manage your facility? And I don't even hesitate. I say eSPACE. You need to check it out. It's very easy, very user friendly.
I sent in a suggestion, which actually came out in one of your updates on font sizes on the screens, which has been very helpful for us here at Harvest. So
eSPACE especially, the price is amazing as well, of course. But if they're not more concerned about cost, then I would say that eSPACE, again, it all goes back to user friendly. Nowadays technology changes so rapidly. And so people are always concerned about, well, I just learned this. Am I going to have to, how long is it going to take me to train on this? Or I have to train my whole church staff on how to use it. Is it going to take forever? I don't have 3 hours. No, it takes 2 seconds to train them on it. It takes, minutes to, or maybe minutes to train them on it. It takes 2 seconds to get their account set up. It's the most user-friendly. The customer support, we've never had issues if we had to call in and ask a question. That's amazing. And the updates, and we get the emails and everything saying, hey, it's updated. Here's what we've changed or whatever. The user friendliness is insane.
Wow, it has helped a lot. With the system we had before, it just was not fulfilling our needs because we had grown as well. And with growing with multi-campuses, especially with 8 campuses, we needed a system that would work, that would, help meet our scheduling needs. And eSPACE has done that, gone above and beyond in that area.
It's allowed us to be, I'm a bigger proponent of efficiency. I don't want to do double work. I don't want to, go, do things twice or go set up things, unnecessarily. It's really allowed us to, we have a large campus. So when we use the event scheduler and the setups that are required for those rooms, and then also work orders that are being done, it allows us to be efficient. Just do it once and be done with it. And then it also allows us to keep track of what's getting done and who's doing what time frame we're looking at. For me, it's very important because I need to know who's working and who's not. So if somebody puts in one work order for that day, I'm like, well, what'd you do for the rest of the day?
But what it's done for us is we had many silos, so to speak. We had a silo website we went to run our door access. We had a website we went to control our thermostats. We had a door, another one for our signage. This has made it streamlined. So we don't have 7 buckets we're dealing with. We're just dealing with one.
And so one of the things I love is that now when I go to the meeting, I can have my phone right there and just be like, okay, well, this week we have this, this, this. Next week we have this. We need volunteers for this event. And then, and I can just pull it all up, and then I can control a lot from my phone.